Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration Bike, and in this video I'm going to provide a number of vintage bike restoration tips that might provide insight in your own restoration project and set the right expectations. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot and is really appreciated. So thanks in advance. The first tip I have is don't expect to make money restoring bikes. I've calculated how much money I spend on average restoring a bike, and it ran in the hundreds of euros. I estimate that I put in twice the amount of money in a project that I could possibly get out of it. So for a bike that took 500 euros to restore, I should be happy to get more than 200 out of it if I would ever sell it. So the second tip is buy the tools you need. Even if you're willing to spend the money restoring a bike, it doesn't really make sense to only doing it once. That's because you're going to need specific tools for the job. And you don't want to buy stuff you'll only end up using a couple of times or worse, once. So the third tip is the older the bike, the harder the restoration. So be sure you know what to pick up before you start on your project. It's all relative, of course, but in general, the older the bike, the more difficult the restoration process is going to be. Bikes and parts are more damaged, more seized, more difficult to repair, and spare parts are harder to source. On the other hand, you might like the challenge, and the bigger the challenge, the greater the satisfaction of overcoming it. My fourth tip would be to become friends with your local bike shop mechanic. My local bike shop has helped me out on numerous occasions. They have the expertise, the experience, and tools to do things I simply cannot do. So unless you're a bike mechanic yourself, become friends with one, and a couple of beers for a job well done goes a long way, I can tell from personal experience. My fifth and last tip is to persevere. Bike restorations can test your patience and perseverance, and each project brings with it their own set of challenges to overcome that will test you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your tips are when it comes to restoring old bikes, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.